Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. Before starting my videos, I would like to thank all my Facebook friends and viewers. I hope that you are fit and fine by the Almighty of Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty of Allah. Dear learners and viewers, today I would like to discuss about tense. Dear viewers, today I would like to discuss about tense. Now I am going to discuss about tense. Dear learners and viewers, you know that tense is the very important for every classes of students. Dear learners and viewers, you know that tense is the soul of English. You have to progress this subject. For this reason, you have to learn tense properly. Tense is very important item. If you want to good speaker in English, you have to learn properly. Dear learners and viewers, today I will discuss three types of tense. First of all, I would like to discuss about present indefinite tense. Secondly, I would like to discuss about past indefinite, and thirdly, I would like to discuss about future indefinite tense. Now I am going to discuss different types of example of this tense. Present indefinite tense এর উদাহরণ example আমি যাই I go, আমি গিয়েছিলাম I went, আমি যাব I will go, আমি আসি I come, আমি এসেছিলাম I came, আমি আসব I will come, আমি খাই I eat, আমি খেয়েছিলাম I ate, আমি খাবো I will eat, আমি করি I do, আমি করেছিলাম I did, আমি করব I will do, আমি স্কুলে যাই I go to school, আমি স্কুলে গিয়েছিলাম I went to school, আমি স্কুলে যাব I will go to school, আমি পড়ি I read, আমি একটি বই পড়ি I read a book, আমি একটি বই পড়ব I will read a book, আমি একটি বই পড়েছিলাম I read a book,